Each year in the UK, more than 7,000 women are diagnosed with ovarian cancer, and 4,000 women die from the disease. Ovarian cancer is often diagnosed when it's at a late stage and harder to treat. Finding a reliable screening method that picks up ovarian cancer earlier, when treatments are more likely to be effective, could help reduce deaths from the disease. UKCTOCS tested 2 different ovarian cancer screening methods versus no screening. The first was multimodal screening, and the second ultrasound screening. Between April 2001 and September 2005, more than 200,000 postmenopausal women aged between 50 and 74 from the general population joined the trial. Women at increased risk of familial ovarian cancer were excluded. Women in the 2 screening groups had a screening every year until the end of 2011. Women in all 3 groups were then followed up until mid-2020. UKCTOCS found that even 9.5 years after the end of screening, there was a 47% increase in stage 1 and a 24.5% decrease in stage 4 incidence in the multimodal group. Overall, the incidence of stage 1 and 2 was 39% higher and stage 3 and 4 10% lower in the multimodal group compared to no screening. There was no difference in the stage of diagnosis between the ultrasound screening group and the no screening group. Despite multimodal screening identifying some women with ovarian cancer earlier, there was no evidence that either screening approach reduced deaths from ovarian cancer compared to no screening. This shows that we must be cautious about approving a screening test just because it appears to find more individuals with early disease. Based on the results of this very large, well-conducted trial, we cannot recommend screening the general population for ovarian cancer using either of the screening approaches tested in UKCTOCS.